Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to reset Samsung washing machine Eco Bubble. You have few options. First, perform a basic reset. For that, turn off the machine. Press the power button to switch it off. Second, unplug from the power source. Disconnect the washing machine from the electrical outlet. This ensures a complete power cycle. Third, wait for a few minutes. Leave the machine unplugged for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the internal system to reset. Fourth, plug it back in. Reconnect the machine to the power supply and turn it on. In the second option, perform a hard reset if necessary. For that, switch off the power supply. Ensure the machine is turned off and unplugged. Second, press and hold the start and pause button. Hold it down for about 5 to 10 seconds. Third, plug the machine back in. While still holding the button, reconnect the power supply and then release the button. So, I hope this video is helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.